Governor Tony Evers delivers his State of the State address promising support for dairy farmers and nonpartisan redistricting. Good evening and thank you for joining us. For Local 5 News at 10, I'm Erin Davison.
And I'm Tom Zaleski, and we begin with state news tonight, where Governor Tony Evers gave his second State of the State address at the Capitol building in Madison.
Local 5's Robin Ogenye is live with more on tonight's address. Robin.
Aaron, Tom, good roads, good schools, and good health care. Governor Evers says in his last year in office, the state has put what he called a down payment on those three things. So what did the governor address? Well, Tom, Aaron, what really didn't he talk about? Everything from bringing science back to the Department of Natural Resources, reforming the criminal justice system, creating jobs in the state, human trafficking, education, health care, the list goes on and on. Evers talked about his current creation of a task force that would help eliminate student debt, but the biggest investment made in the last year was K-12 education.
You know, what's best for our kids is what's best for our state. Although the budget I signed did not include my proposed $1.4 million for our kids, we still provided the largest increase in general aid to schools in more than a decade. Working together, we were able to invest more than $500 million in K-12 education, including the first increase in special education in 10 years. Came together to work on expanding access to health care.
Evers did admit that not everything he wanted came to fruition, but he says they were able to make some strides in the health care sector.
We weren't able to expand Medicaid, which would have allowed us to bring in $1.6 billion in new federal investment into our health care system. But the people's budget still made some important investments in lead testing and abatement, stabilizing the individual health care market and lowering health insurance premiums, and expanding access to rural health care.
And notably, the governor really highlighted the state's farm and agriculture industry, suggesting they're doing more to slow the closures of several dairy farms across the state and lend more assistance to farmers.
Our farm center is doing important work in this area, but we know folks are really struggling and they need access to those resources closer to home. Our mental health program will assist farmers in accessing mental health support. They will also help coordinate local and regional peer support programming and provide confidential one-on-one counseling and assistance to our farmers.
We spoke to several legislators, both Democrat and Republican, to get their view on what they thought of Evers' performance this past year and to get their reactions to his speech. And they all pretty much largely agreed that they spent way too much time in stalemates this past year, not getting things done in good enough time. But to see their reactions to the State of the State address, make sure you watch Local 5 tomorrow morning to hear what they had to say. But for now, reporting live in Madison, Robin Ogenye, Local 5 News.